MeanRenko Bars for NinjaTrader 8. Noise-filtered bar structure. Cleaner charts, more reliable signals, and fewer false triggers. Standard Renko bars print the moment price moves a fixed amount, including insignificant fluctuations. Consolidation turns into a wall of small bars. RSI and EMA calculate on noise, and your chart generates false signals that were never real setups. MeanRenko changes one rule. Instead of printing on every fixed move, a new bar prints only when price moves beyond the midpoint of the current bar. Small oscillations are absorbed, not printed. The result: fewer bars, each one meaningful. Here's the structure on a live NinjaTrader chart. Trends read as clean staircases and consolidation stays compact and obvious. Three things improve immediately: trend clarity, direction becomes visually obvious, indicator reliability. RSI, EMA and MACD calculate on cleaner closes, and setup readability. Entries and exits are less ambiguous at a glance. One thing to know: MeanRenko is a bar type, not an indicator. Right-click your chart, open Data Series, and select MeanRenko from the bar type drop-down. Every indicator and strategy runs on it natively. Because the filtering happens at the bar level, everything you build on top improves, without changing a single indicator setting. It's the recommended bar type for the turning point indicator system, a cleaner base for strategy backtests, and a daily driver for discretionary futures traders on ES, NQ, crude, and gold. Download the free 7-day trial at ninjastrategyloader.com. Fully functional, no restrictions, no credit card required. Add it to one chart, and watch the structure change.